Hello, we represent Atlantis Engineering. I'm Antigoni.
And I'm Panagiotis. We're from Thessaloniki. We took part in the SMARTaiNNOVATORS hackathons in Cyprus.
What did you think about the Unity experience?
The Unity. Okay, so we learned Unity with Nicholas. He showed us how to make basically how to make a video game, and we worked with teams, and in the end there were awards for each team, which is no. And in the end there were awards for the teams, and I really liked the Unity experience, the training experience of Unity.
We also had a visit at the university. What was that like?
They had great facilities, they had great equipment. We saw many things about VR gaming and the whole VR experience. It was quite interesting. It was an interesting experience at the university.
We also had an opportunity to visit Cyprus. What was that like?
It was quite similar to Greece, but there were many unique places like Cavo Greco and Nisi Beach at the Napa, which we visited yesterday for a swim. It was nice. So, Antigone, in general, what did you think about the whole experience?
The whole experience was very positive. We got to know new people from different backgrounds, and we tasted tasty food. We explored Cyprus and ancient monuments and museums.
It was a fun experience.
It was a really fun experience.
Yeah.
Thank you, Emphasis.